Did you ever observe when you stand in front of a mirror, instead of seeing what are the good features you have, you will immediately look at the areas where you feel you are fat and why it is like that. Try to understand the phenomenon. If you buy red color car and driving on road, you automatically keeps on focusing and picking red color cars very quickly. I'm pretty sure you might have come across someone who were truly happy till that moment and all of a sudden they turn sad and unpredictable. How does that sudden switch happen? And on top of all of this, you must have seen same pattern of events happening in your life or meeting same set of people over and over again in your life wantedly or unwantedly. From the moment you were there in your mother's womb and first 7 years of life as child, what are the things you do, observe, and watch keenly will be forming footprints into your subconscious mind, and those footprints will be turning into basic programs. And all our actions throughout our lives will be coming out of it. This is the way a child is seeing behavior of his parents, siblings, and community and implanting them as basic programs. Just try to assume what will happen to us if the people we are watching are not that good and negative mentality people. It is very certain to say they're gonna get same kind of thinking as basic programs. Here the sad part is you guys even didn't know what kind of programs that were installed during this powerful window of years. You can visualize this concept as you bought new laptop that has no software except operating system. Basically it is kind of a clean slate. You will install whatever the software you want, or you can see it as simple as writing songs on the empty tape that can be played later. 95% of the life is coming out of these programs, and it is obvious to see it as a one liner. Your life is a printout of all the programs from the subconscious mind. Subconscious mind is real abode of our mind. It will take care of involuntary actions that includes breathing, dealing with emotions, physical appearance, and even controlling the heart rate. Even processing the emotions are also being performed by subconscious mind. And that is the reason why we feel all sorts of emotions like sorrow, depression, or anxiety, even without wanting to have that kind of experience. All the memories and beliefs are stored at this level. It is also called as habitual mind. Subconscious is further divided into four levels. They are beta, alpha, theta, and delta. The more deeper you go, the more control you have on you. Out of all, theta level is where all the programs are stored. Theta level will only exist when you are in the deep meditation. It is also called as twilight state as it is kind of drifting off into light sleep and waking up from the deep sleep. Here brain can have vivid visualization, feeling of connected to the universe and getting glimpse of profound creativity. Here we will be using sleep as a method to go into the theta stage. So we put headphones on and go to the bed and hear a program. It is not going into the conscious mind. It is straightly going into the subconscious mind and can reprogram it. You can use our software powered by AI and create affirmations on top of two bass sounds. One is Om, other one is ocean waves. You must have already known that how powerful these bass sounds are. Intertwining affirmations with these two audio waves will be super effective tool to hit theta stage. Our tool will walk and help you through every step I have mentioned so far and create customized audio file. You can create affirmations and audio file in whatever language you are comfortable with. Once customized audio file containing affirmations is generated, you need to listen to the audio when you are in the theta stage. Easiest and possible time for the theta stage is suppose if you plan to wake up at 6 a.m., then you need to put alarm at wake up at 5 a.m., plug headphones, play this customized audio file with affirmations and go to sleep for next 1 hour till 6 a.m. This is the stage where you are in kind of twilight. You are not fully sleeping and at the same time not fully wake up. Hence, your subconscious mind is in full control. So take advantage of this stage and hit theta and change habits. Our program also includes other practices, Ho'oponopono, inner child therapy, and pineal gland meditation. They're equally effective in identifying the issues and plug the roots of unwanted habits from your subconscious.